How are people in their 20s buying $500,000 homes while you're still debating whether to DoorDash dinner again tonight? Let's be honest, something doesn't add up. And if you don't understand the game, you're probably playing it blind. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only know how they're affording homes, you'll know how to get in the game yourself. We see it everywhere. People your age buying homes, posting keys and closing costs like it's a TikTok trend. But here's what no one's telling you. 38% of young homebuyers in the US got help from family. Many are tapping into co-buying with friends or partners. And yes, some are using house hacking strategies and living with tenants. Don't be fooled by the highlight reel. Most of these deals aren't made with just a 9-to-5 paycheck and vibes. Quick pattern interrupt, unless of course, manifesting really is a valid financial strategy. Spoiler, it's not. Here's what's really going on. Step 1, leverage, not just savings. Most buyers put down as little as 3% using FHA or first-time buyer programs. If you're waiting to save 20%, you might be waiting forever. Step 2, credit score is king. A 740 plus score can save you tens of thousands over a 30-year loan. It's not just about getting approved, it's about getting the best rate. Step 3, creative cash flow. Many young buyers have side hustles. Think Turo, Airbnb, even part-time freelance gigs, all to boost income on paper and qualify for more. But here's the catch. Just because they qualified doesn't mean they can actually afford it. Let me explain. Buying a home isn't the finish line. It's the starting point of a whole new budget. Escrow surprises, rising insurance premiums, even the $8,000 HVAC repair no one warned you about. If you're not planning ahead, you're setting yourself up for what I call house poor hell, aka owning a house so nice you can't afford furniture or groceries. But here's the opportunity. If you prepare smart, build credit, boost income, invest early, you can own without drowning in debt. And guess what? Some of the people doing this right now started with less than you. You don't have to sit on the sidelines anymore. But the first step isn't buying the house, it's building the income to afford it. Ready to learn how? Tap this video next. How to earn money with investment. I'll walk you through exactly how to build income streams that can pay your mortgage and then some.